So a week ago I asked my friend Stephen Jones to let's do a film together in his 1981 Vanagon Westfalia. But the only thing I told him was that we couldn't do any more planning besides the day we do it. This is that film. Hope you enjoy.
This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
So the thing I quickly learned on this film was the importance of just letting things happen. You see, as a filmmaker, we always try to plan things out and plan our adventures and everything like that. But as I get older, I'm quickly learning that there's so much about this world and about life that you just can't plan, and that's what makes it so amazing. These films for the next few weeks are focusing on that kind of idea of just going out and adventuring and seeing what happens with no real intentions, but the only goal of making good content. Again, I suck at consistency, but I'm trying to get better, and I hope you guys enjoyed this film. I put a lot of work into it when it comes to sound design and everything else in between. Coming soon, there's going to be a few tutorials about the things that I do as a filmmaker and a photographer that I hope you guys can learn some stuff from. So again, if you enjoyed this film, I hope you share it, like it, comment, everything like that. Thank you for dealing with me. I hope you have a great day. As always, peace, love, and happiness in everything that you do, and much love.